In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a new line in a cell in Google Sheets. This is a really handy trick, especially if you're someone who often needs to enter multi-line text in a single cell. Let's dive right in and learn how to do this easily and efficiently. Normally, when we're working in Google Sheets and we hit the Enter key, it doesn't quite do what we might expect if we're thinking in terms of a word processor. Instead of starting a new line within the same cell, it moves us down to the cell directly below. This standard behavior can be quite frustrating if you're looking to keep all your data within a single cell, which is very common when you want to organize more complex information. So here's the trick to create multi-line entries. To begin, type your text as usual in the cell where you want multi-line entries. When you're ready to start a new line, without leaving the cell space, you need to use a simple keyboard command. Hold down the Control key if you're on a Windows PC, or the Command key if you're using a Mac. While holding this key, press the Enter key. This combination allows you to insert new lines directly within the same cell and continue typing, creating a neat multi-line block of text right where you want it. The best part about using this method is that you can repeat this action as many times as you need for any given cell. Maybe you have a list, a combination of items, or just a detailed description that needs to remain together in a single cell. By inserting multiple lines, you keep everything organized and accessible at a glance, making your spreadsheet neat and more readable. However, once you start entering longer blocks of multi-line text, it might look like your text is not fully visible. But there's a simple fix for that as well. If your text seems cut off or doesn't display completely, you might need to adjust the row height to better fit your text. This can be done by clicking and dragging the border of the row number on the left-hand side, allowing you to customize the height until your text becomes visible. Additionally, another important adjustment you might need is setting the text wrapping to wrap. This setting ensures that your text will automatically adjust to the cell's width, wrapping onto the next line within the cell rather than going beyond the cell border. It's an easy way to improve readability, and you can find this option in the Format menu under Text Wrapping. Simply select Wrap, and your text will adjust accordingly. And that's all there is to it. Now you have the knowledge to efficiently insert new lines within a single cell in Google Sheets, enhancing both organization and clarity in your spreadsheets. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.